Hello everyone, it's Chris from FlagHouse, and this week I'm here with Coach Colleen McCurry, and as our resident volleyball expert, she's going to take us through her favorite volleyball trainers.
It was great to have an opportunity for the students to see all the different varieties that are out there, different weights, different sizes. The students got to challenge themselves and try out different things to try to add to their success and their overall fun in the game of volleyball.
So we've got these great games coming up next. And hey, if you like videos like this, then please subscribe to the FlagHouse Activity channel. We have brand new episodes every single week. Coming up next, Coach Colleen takes us through her favorite volleyball trainers on the FlagHouse Activity channel.
All right, so today I'm going to feature the different type of volleyball trainers that FlagHouse offers, and there's all different styles here, different weights, different sizes, and we're going to show you how you can incorporate them into your classes and allow the students to challenge themselves by choosing what style works best for them. And so what you're going to do is you're going to, if we were partners, Charlie and I were partners, I would go first, and I'm going to kneel down on one knee, and I'm going to just toss the ball to myself. And I'm just going to try to demonstrate control, right? So I toss it off the wall, and I'm just trying to get myself so that I can volley the ball off the wall to myself. Good, right? Present those arms to the ball, keep your thumbs flat and down. How you doing over here, Brianna? There you go, right? So toss it off, right? So let's see, let me show you how you do your hands. Put your hands together. You're gonna do fists, make me one fist, wrap the other hand around, there you go. And then, so it's gonna come off the wall, and you're gonna want it to come off, keep your arms extended off here, ready? So you can get it, so maybe slide up for you a little bit because you're a little bit far, ready? So it's gonna go here, there you go, use your arms. So you started off with a toss, and then you bump it, and then you try to set it to yourself. You bump it, so you're trying to continuously go from a bump to a set, or you could just keep bumping it if you're more comfortable doing that. Sometimes the net is a little intimidating to people, right? It's almost like having a defenseman right in your face holding their hands up. Some people look at the net and think, how am I gonna get the ball over that? So you can certainly start off a game and you would still have two sides, right? And we're gonna use these rubber dome markers, right, to indicate two sides of the court. And we're gonna play it like volleyball, but we're not going to have a net. Oh, it's over, there you go, good hustle. Good, keep playing it, allowed to play it off the bounce. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna transition, you're gonna stay on the same teams, and we're just gonna maybe do about a minute, and we'll go live on the real net. And because it's a lighter ball, it's a little bit easier to pass, then it tends to be a little less intimidating. And it's a great way to try to add level of success so that you can start making that progression to a full weighted or a full volleyball game if you're working from elementary to middle school. Great job.